Dear students, now we are going to discuss pseudo first order reaction. So let us see what is pseudo first order reaction. So such reaction which are not truly the first order but under certain conditions becomes reactions of the first order are called pseudo first order reaction. Repeating once more, those reactions which are not truly first order but under certain conditions becomes reactions of first order are called pseudo first order reactions. That means not exactly of first order is called pseudo first order. So considering the general reaction A on reacting with B gives product in which order with respect to each reactant is 1, so that the overall order of the reaction is 2. Here we have being A and B, two reacting term, so the order with respect to A is 1 and order with respect to B is 1. Why? Because we know that order of reaction is the power of the concentration term. So here power is 1 and this one is also 1. So it must be 1 and 1. It must be a second order reaction. Power, when summing these two, 1 and 1, it becomes 2. So its overall order should be 2. Then the rate law equation should be rate is equal to K concentration of A and concentration of B. However, if one of the reactant is present is larger excess, example we are taking solvent like water, its concentration will remain almost constant. Why? Because if A and B undergoing reaction, suppose we are taking what instead of this one glucose or carbohydrate and dissolving it in water, so concentration of water can be neglected. That means only concentration vary on the A, that means carbohydrate, and then the reaction becomes of first order. So we have written one of the reactant is present in larger excess solvent, its concentration will remain almost constant. In that case, the rate of reaction will depend only on the concentration of the reactant present in a smaller amount, and the reaction becomes a first order. So here you can see here that this one is ethyl acetate CH3COO C2H5, and this one reacting with water, it gives acetic acid and ethanol. Now here the reaction depends only on the concentration of CH3COO C2H5, because it is present in larger excess, its concentration can be neglected. So rate only depend on this one, hence it appears a first order reaction, but it is not exactly a first order, it is a pseudo order reaction. Second example, you can see that concentration depend on C12 S22O11, and it this one on reacting with water, it gives C6H12O6 and C6H12O6. This one is glucose, this one is fructose. So these two examples are of pseudo first order reaction. So both the above reactions are bimolecular but are found to be the first order. So rate will depend only on the concentration of only reactant term, not the solvent term. So again this one rate depend only on C12S22O11, not on water. So such type of reaction in which the concentration term rate is only dependent only on concentration term, but both the reactant are present, are called pseudo first order reaction. Thank you.